Sorry, I skipped one thing on the previous slides. This DIKW pyramid here. DIKW, well, data, information, knowledge, wisdom pyramid. It involves understanding and ability to make use of the data and information to answer questions, solve problems, make decisions, and so on. Well, same as the 5W1H, this model is used in so many fields like data science, data analytic. For our case, we can use it to organize the loads of data you find on the internet and put them in your design visually, aesthetically, hierarchically understandable way. Well, and that is called, in two words, data visualization. Data visualization is the keyword. You should be Googling it right now. Not now. We will be seeing some good data visualization examples at the end of the video under topic of infographics. Okay, see this triangle here? Bottom part, in this big data era of the internet, you get lots of small data. You read and see small datas on the internet or maybe from books and papers. When you find the relationship between those data, you get the information. And from that information, you can see some patterns, similarity and difference between the information. You get more patterns, and that is called knowledge. And from that basket of knowledge, add some time and experience, you get to the stage of wisdom. Well, basically, you design infographics through this model. Let's go to the page we have left. We have covered these design heuristics. Sorry. Okay. Distributed cognition is a concept introduced in the field of human-computer interaction, HCI, by Holland and Hutchins. It's really complicated field of study. Well, if you were in psychology field, gladly we are in computer science. Let's see each word, what it means. Distribute. As you know, distribute means give a share or a unit of something to each of a number of recipients. Cognition is the complicated one, actually. It's the mental action or process of acquiring knowledge and understanding through thought, experience, and the senses. And together, a distributed cognition theory is a theory of distributed cognition. Like any cognitive theory, seeks to understand the organization of cognitive systems. So, how do we use this complicated term in designing an interface? Well, there are several different ways that interfaces can help people think more frequently by distributing cognition into artifacts in the world. It's a way of approaching the problem that puts your attention squarely on how extend the mind across artifacts. From the user side, it's about understanding the system by understanding the connection between each part of the design. each element. From the designer's side, we have to design a picture that is worth 1,000 words. Okay, let's say an example. This highlighted text here displays the different costs of the various flights. The system takes the load of displaying the difference in rates and hence reducing the load of remembering the various costs of the multiple flights. It's like the 6th heuristic checklist we did before, the recall rather than recognition. This system is helping users with showing the least pricey flight option highlighted on the top for you to see. So this theory is used in so many different fields inside HCI, but for this class I think we can just focus on infographics. Infographics is a collection of imagery, charts, and minimal text that gives an easy to understand overview of a topic. Infographics use striking, engaging visuals to communicate information quickly and clearly. Well, to distribute cognition, as I said, we have to design a picture that is worth 1,000 words, and that is it. Infographics is a picture that conveys 1,000 words, not exactly 1,000 words, meaning a lot of meaning. Well, nowadays there are interactive infographics like websites or animated infographics for the busy people to see. Okay, let's see some of them. I think I have them in here. Here is an example of an animated infographics, how a car engine works. Visually easy to understand. The second one. Okay, and it's an example of an interactive infographics. In one page there are so many things that you can get, so many data. You remember the DIKW diagram? Read more on that diagram. Visual and data visualization. And let's see the third. Oh, it has sounds. See it by yourselves. Listen it. Whoa, cool, right? Cool animation. Explore the exhibition. Birds. Okay, you see it yourselves later. Here's an example of another infographics. Let's see, YouTube. Interactive infographic. Okay, you can see them yourselves and explore what it has. Okay, see ya.